Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 35. Inflation may occur if A. Rate of productivity is higher than wage rate, B. Prices fluctuate during a particular season of the year, C. Wage increase is granted without increase in productivity, D. The government embarks on restrictive money policies. So what we are asking is which among the options can be responsible for inflation? So inflation basically refers to the persistent rise in the general price level of goods and services. So that is inflation. Now let's look at what may lead to inflation among what is given to us. Now option A says rate of productivity is higher than wage rates. Now rate of productivity being higher than wage rates cannot lead to inflation because the productivity is more than the amount of money that can be put into circulation from the wages of the citizens. So this is not the answer to the question. Option B says prices fluctuate during a particular season of the year. This option also cannot be linked directly to inflation. Okay, fluctuation of prices during a specific season cannot directly relate it to inflation. Now option C says wage increase is granted without increase in productivity. Now when wages and salaries are increased without corresponding increase in supply of goods and services, that is production, goods and services, it can lead to excess money in circulation chasing few goods. So the prices of the few goods, because of the excess amount of money in circulation, the prices of the few goods will rise. So and that will be inflation. So this is what happens when wages and salaries are increased and there is no corresponding increase in supply of goods and services, that is increase in productivity. So option C, wage increase is granted without increase in productivity, is linked to inflation and is the correct answer to this question. The government embarks on restrictive monetary policies, which is option D, is usually done to prevent inflation. So it is not the correct answer to this question. So option C, as we have rightly established, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.